One lovely Saturday morning, Henry was puffing along. The sun was out, the fields were green, the birds sang. Henry had plenty of steam in his boiler and he was feeling happy. I feel so well. And just ahead, Henry saw some boys on a bridge. Henry whistled at the boys. Hello there! Oof! But the boys didn't wave back at Henry and say hello. No, they dropped stones on him instead. And they were silly boys who thought it would be fun to drop stones. They've broken our glass! They've broken our glass! Sobbed the coaches. The passengers weren't hurt, but they were cross. Call the police! No, said the driver. Leave it to Henry and me. What will you do? They asked. Can you keep a secret? Yes. Well then, said the driver. Henry is going to sneeze at those boys. If Henry's smoke box is blocked, I can make air and steam blow ashes through his funnel. We will do it at the bridge. Henry took the train back to the station where just before the bridge the people were waiting. They wanted to see what would happen. Henry's driver said, well, that's alright. Anyhow, he's got plenty of ashes now. Keep all the windows shut until we pass the bridge. Henry is excited as we are, aren't you, old fella? Henry didn't answer. He was feeling just a bit stuffed up. He was already feeling like sneezing. The guard waved his flag and blew his whistle, and they were off. Soon, in the distance, they saw the bridge. But the boys were there. They had stones. Henry's driver said, are you ready? Now, he said. Achoo! Henry's driver couldn't stop laughing. Well done, Henry. They won't drop stones on engines again. Henry went home very pleased with himself, and he taught them boys a lesson.